Uh-oh. That's not good. Let me double check. Oh, we have our QR code. Hello there, everyone. Today I want to talk about how you can make QR codes with just a little bit of Python script. It's going to be a relatively short video, so let's just dive right into the code. So let's start off with importing our libraries. First, we're going to need to import QR code. This is a custom library, just install it with pip. Then we're going to import qrcode.constants. It's going to help us later. Then we're going to make an object, call it QR, equal qrcode.qrcode. And inside these parentheses, I'm going to open this up a little bit. So it's going to be our first version. We're going to make error correction equal qrcode.constants dot error correct then let's make box size equal 20 and finally border equal 2. This defines how our QR code is going to look. Then we're going to do qr.add data and we're going to put in, I'm just going to grab this little link here. And we're going to make qr.make, make it fit true. Then image, this is going to be the image it's saved in. Image equals qr.make image. So fill color is going to be black. And the back color is going to be white. Then image.save. Let's just call it just qrcode.png. And just like that. So now let's run it. Uh-oh. That's not good. Let me double check. Oh. Stash L. There we go. Now let's try running. There we go. It ran without issue this time. So if I just open this up here, you can see we have our QR code. You can scan this. It does function as a QR code. And yeah, you can see you can mess around with the colors too. So say I wanted the fill color to, instead of black, make it, for example, blue on red. It's going to look terrible, but let's just run that. Should be no error. Yep. Oh wait, we need to delete this one first. Yeah. Okay. Run. There we go. Okay, time has passed. I've fixed the issue now, so if I go yellow, hopefully this will work. Please. Okay. We finally have this working. You can see I have a black on a red background, and we generate black on a red background. So, if you made it this far into the video, probably means you liked it. If so, please consider giving a like and subscribe. Everything helps.